everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shagun and it would mean a lot to me if you'll spare a second to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you some outfit ideas for Christmas as well as for New Year Eve, but with a twist. Like I'll be showing you two versions of the same outfit, that's for winter as well as for summer. So stay tuned, and also I'll be announcing a giveaway somewhere in between this video, so don't skip. And now without wasting any more time, let's start with this video. So for the first look, I am going with a denim skirt. I think denim skirt or a jacket or a shirt is quite trendy these days, like the whole denim vibe, and also it looks very fancy and modish. So I'm styling this denim skirt with a maroon colored off-shoulder crop top. If you're not comfortable with a crop top, you can obviously go with a normal skivvy or normal tops which you have in your wardrobe and you will be done. Also, I think that this maroon color crop top is going pretty well with the Christmas and New Year vibe, so it's perfect for this party season. And for contrasting the entire look, for matching the color scheme, I am wearing this yellow colored belt on this denim skirt. अगर denim skirt में you're not comfortable, then you can obviously go with those skater skirts or those midi skirts. For earrings, I am wearing these tasseled earrings, or I don't know जो भी इसको कहते हैं, but these elongated earrings, I love them. For shoes, I am wearing these boots, ankle boots. You can obviously go with those thigh high or knee high boots. अब इस entire look को winter appropriate बनाने के लिए मैंने एक sweatshirt पहन ली है, and this is quite a bright colored sweatshirt from my brother's wardrobe. They are so comfortable to wear and so breathable. Also, to make the look warmer, you can go with stockings. And for earrings, I am wearing these hoops. So yeah. For the second style, I have chosen a maxi dress. The entire maxi dress is of black color. I don't know what's with me that I am obsessed with black color, but I cannot ever get rid of black. And इसको मैंने एक denim jacket से pair किया है. You can obviously wear the maxi dress as it is. Also, for this look, I am wearing these earrings. Also, for making this look winter appropriate, मैंने denim jacket हटा के white mock neck पहन लिया है, and I think this black and white combination goes pretty well. For summers, I was wearing heels, but for winters, I have switched to boots. Obviously, winters where boots are the best thing. Also, you can go again with tights, but I don't think so maxi dress with tights are important. Now for the third style, I am wearing these striped shirts with a black jeans and heels. This is not at all my style, like ऐसा vibe बिल्कुल नहीं है मेरा, but after wearing this style, I can think of wearing this several times. Like it looks so party appropriate, and also for sleeves you can either fold it or you can leave it. For earrings, I am wearing these brown colored earrings. Now making this outfit winter appropriate, I have worn a white mock neck, the one which I was wearing with that black maxi dress, and have layered this outfit with a beige colored jacket. Also have switched from heels to boots. And yeah, that's it. Completed with the entire look. You can obviously go with another t-shirt or another long coat. That's completely up to you. Now for the fourth style, I have again gone with a maxi dress, but this time I have gone with a striped maxi dress. Stripes make you look taller, and this maxi dress has a slit on the side. And for the footwear, I have gone with these normal flat. For making this look winter appropriate, मैंने इस maxi dress को as a dress पहना है. For making a maxi dress as a dress, the only thing you have to do is tie a belt around your waist and pull the maxi dress, and it's quite easy. Like if you want a tutorial, I can make it on Reels or Instagram and show it to you guys. And I have paired the maxi dress like this dress with tights and boots. For the last style, I have worn this short dress with pair of canvas, and yeah, this look इतना ही. Like I have not done anything extra with this look. इसमें belt थी but I was not able to find. And have gone with these silver colored hoops. Also have kept the entire makeup and look subtle. So for lipstick, I have worn this brown colored lip shade, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Now for making the look winter appropriate, मैंने ये woolen dress पहनी है with tights. Obviously you can go without tights if you're comfortable with the short dress और अगर आपको ठंड नहीं लगती है, but I guess wearing tights is a good option in दिल्ली की सर्दी. Also this dress is mock neck. Like mock necks are my personal favorite, but mock necks or dress का combo is another level favorite. Like I can literally live with this dress for my entire life. और इस डिज़ाइन को क्या कहते हैं I don't know, but it looks super cool and cute for this dress. For layering the dress, I have gone with this black overcoat, but you can obviously switch to full sleeves dress अगर आपको layering नहीं पसंद. And then I have completed the look with red lips and pair of boots. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very helpful. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of these styles, because your feedback is very precious to me. And yes, now coming to the giveaway part, you guys must be very angry कि मैंने पूरी वीडियो निकाल दिया, कहीं पे भी giveaway का बताया नहीं. So yes, here I am, and so you are. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the rules. No. Pehले let me tell you how many winners will be there. There will be 5 winners, and I'll be giving them shopping e-vouchers. Now the rules for participating in the giveaway are: Rule 1, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Rule 2, share this video on your Instagram story tagging me along with 2 of your friends. And in case your account is private, then do send me the screenshot of your story and you'll be done. So yes, what are you waiting for? Just go and participate in this giveaway for winning those exciting e-vouchers. Until then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I'll see you in next video. Bye.